Oh, hey guys, look here, it's a new video. Today we're gonna do a real hot topic people like to talk about. You thought the earth was round, like this, because you've been told it's round your whole life, but that is false. Earth is not round anymore. No. Well, here it is, a pretty sweet looking earth, I'd say. We can zoom in and see it's got some sweet things, but this is actually a graphic illustration NASA made with their computer-enhanced graphic processing programs. As you can tell, it really looks like in space. Here, you can see the earth. It looks round, like this. But what if I told you this was a lie? The earth is not round at all, but actually it is flat, like this. Now sure, maybe you say, well, hey guy, how the earth flat? And then what happened on the edge? Why can't we go nowhere? Well, they say maybe there's a dome. So now you can't go nowhere and you're on the flat earth. Well, this looks real sweet. But we all know, golly, the round earth, it don't have to do nothing to be safe and stable because it's round. What about the flat earth? Obviously, it's flat, so I have trouble, it's going to tip left or right. I don't know how it stays safe, but then I asked my friend, he said, you know what, I'm no scientist guy, he like Elon Musk type, he told me he saw Earth, the flat one, have rockets. That makes sense now, I say, okay, so rather we have the flat Earth with the rockets, so it stays in place and flies around. Now, obviously, that solves that problem real good. And now we don't have to worry about how the flat Earth stays in one place anymore, and we have a dome on top, so we don't have to worry about why people can't get over the edge of the Earth. But then I think maybe Earth don't have rockets, because that sounds crazy. How does the Earth have rockets? Where does it get the power to power the rocket? And so my friend said maybe there's no rockets at all. There's a pole. A real long pole like this one. Man, something real strong and super strong. You've never seen this before because it's so strong material that don't exist on Earth. And anyway, it's so strong, it's holding the Earth right in place. Perfectly there. Long pole. All the way down. But then someone said, well, what's holding the pole so it doesn't go nowhere? And I said, oh, I know, it's this guy. Yeah, he looked crazy. But that's okay, right? I don't even know who he is. Maybe he's a god. Maybe he's not there. Because, I mean, that guy, what was he doing in space? So if he's not there, and this gray pole's holding the Earth, the flat Earth, which obviously we've already proven how it could be flat with the dome and this rocky thing on the bottom, how's it holding space? It could be attached to another ball, like the moon or something. But the moon, it's over here. You can see the moon like it's in the dome. This is a special moon, separate moon. Okay, so we have one Earth. It's really sweet, and it's flat like this. It's not round anymore because people know it's not round. We all know why it's not round, because obviously that's crazy talk. New science proves that the Earth is flat, but how does it stay flat and attached to space? It is on a pole, and the pole's attached to this gray ball. Okay, this is a real photo from NASA. Anyway, moving on. Now we know the people who built this gray ball, flat space Earth, they decided real estate is really expensive. We need more flat Earths. They built another one here, and another one here, and then they built the rest too. And then there's a bunch of flat Earths all around this gray ball, and they're all floating in space. I think maybe if you get special Poke Access, Pokemon Go token, you can go to the next Earth over here, and it just costs you 1 billion Poke Tokens. Now, I don't know if that's true or it's not, but I heard that's just what why they made a flat Earth, so they could have more space. Obviously, this is not a ball. This is nothing like a ball. This is just a bunch of flat Earths around a gray ball. Okay, and then so someone said, I like how this plan goes, but now who's in charge of the gray ball in the middle? I said, oh yeah, you think you're a smart guy? You don't know. And the gray ball, it looks a lot like the Death Star. And so you can see, if you look real close, it is the Death Star. And that's actually what happened. Star Wars is a history book now, and the Death Star, it rules these 12 Earths. And obviously these 12 flat Earths ruled by the Death Star are in charge by Vader. And I don't know what he's doing in there, but it makes a lot of sense when you look at it, because obviously the guy who talks about this, the next thing, this makes a lot of sense. Someone once said, okay, I have your flat Earth theory debunked. You know, if Earth was flat, you could see forever. I could see flag right here, no matter how far away I was. But since Earth is somewhat round, I can't see flag eventually because I am stopped by the curve of the horizon. Now, I said that's real smart, guy. I think maybe you don't know with the flat Earth theory right here. Darth Vader control your mind. He thinks, I know this guy's trying to see real far, so all I have to do is stop him from seeing real far with my mind. And then, oh yeah. Okay, now we move on to understanding the flat Earth theory a little further. This one takes a few more introspective questions of science. So we go to effective mass, solid state physics, and we look, obviously, first off, if you look at mass in time and space, none of this is real. Okay, there's no Darth Vader, and there's no gray ball, and honestly, 100% proof they're probably not the rest of these flat Earth planets either. There might be a pole. I'll talk to this one. But if Earth is in space and physics is real, then what we have is a problem because mass always have to be dissipated evenly. It moves away from the Earth like this. Now, for the mass to all be evenly distributed so we don't all die, this makes the Earth round. Now you can see we have a problem because we now know maybe the Earth is not flat at all, it's round, in fact, like we thought it was from the beginning. But now someone suggests to me maybe the Earth is not round and not flat, but both. Now this is the way we get real weird. So we know from physics that the Earth is round because of the mass distributed equally. But if you look at Fick's law, the specific mass and fluid dynamics, we can see if we add in velocity dispersion and you add in dilation of mass with experimental testing, and if you finally arrive at time dilation, you can then understand the final graphic. Okay. Here, we arrive at the final layer of our diagram. Now we see that Earth is actually flat, but not how flat we thought. It is flat a different way. Now, we first say, how's Earth round and also flat? Now this gets confusing. Let's say you're a person, you're standing on Earth right here. This guy, he see Earth is round, because he on Earth. He traveling through time and space with the Earth. Right here, he on the Earth. But, let's say you're a proton, traveling through space at 99.9% the speed of light. This proton right here, traveling at 99.9% the speed of light, would not see the Earth at all. It would not see the round ball, but a flat line, because it's going so fast. Now the problem here is that you can't go that fast. Okay. You can't go that fast though, because of the universal speed limit. Now what it says here is that basically the faster you go, the faster you slow down, or the more your mass weighs. And this is a problem for any mass trying to go fast. Now here we can understand the dilemma of trying to understand how the Earth is both flat and round. But this is okay, because now we arrive at the final scene, the final equation. Well, to understand how it's both flat and round, you realize maybe the Earth not exist at all. Here you are, in the non-Earth. Welcome to the place of existence. Okay, here we are. This is what the Earth really looks like. Real sweet, right? Nothing here at all. You can't tell if it's flat or round at all. It's just nothing. Now, at the root of our reality, with the root of laws of our existence, people don't know if we exist inside the computer program or if we built a computer program. It's hard to know the difference, right? Now this is called a paradox. The laws both look the same. At the root of reality, we could be standing on planet that could be flat round, or we could be inside computer program trying to figure out if we're standing on planet that's flat round. Here, we know the paradox, and this right here, the root of reality. Now thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me now for another great video. I appreciate everybody coming and hanging out. This is the end of the video where I talk about the flat earth theory. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to contribute to my Patreon, or don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. If you decide maybe this video is too crazy for you, it's too bad, because it'll make you more. 100% certain proof the flat earth theory is real. Now remember guys, don't worry if at first it don't make sense. You can watch this video again. I'll leave it up maybe for one day. And if you have any questions about how flat earth theory pertains to you, and if you exist inside the computer program, or if the program exists inside of you, both can be answered. Brought to you by